Did you know that your body battles over 10,000 free radicals every day? These tiny villains speed up aging and cause diseases. But here's the good news: you have a secret weapon: antioxidants. These powerful compounds can neutralize free radicals and keep you youthful. Surprising fact: a diet rich in antioxidants can lower the risk of heart disease by 33%. Another shocker: some antioxidants can even repair DNA damage caused by free radicals. It's like having a repair team working inside your body. In this video, we'll dive into the world of antioxidants. You'll discover superfoods you didn't know about, learn how to make the most of antioxidant supplements, and find out which cooking methods preserve the most nutrients. Plus, we'll share how antioxidants can boost your brain health and keep your skin glowing. Ready to unlock the secrets to aging gracefully? Let's get started on this journey to better health and a longer life. Chapter 1: The Secret Power of Antioxidants. Antioxidants are like your body's personal defense squad. They protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Think of free radicals as tiny troublemakers. They can harm your DNA, leading to aging and diseases. But antioxidants neutralize these troublemakers. A fascinating study from Harvard shows that a diet high in antioxidants can reduce the risk of chronic diseases by 30%. So, it's clear that antioxidants play a crucial role in keeping us healthy. But what exactly are antioxidants? They are compounds found in food that help fight oxidative stress in your body. Vitamin C and E, selenium, and beta-carotene are some common antioxidants. You might have heard about them in commercials, but their impact goes beyond marketing. Dr. Lester Packer, in his book The Antioxidant Miracle, explains that antioxidants are essential for preventing cell damage and boosting our immune system. Eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables ensures you get a good mix of antioxidants. Each color represents different types of antioxidants, all working together to keep you young and vibrant. For instance, berries are packed with flavonoids, while carrots are rich in beta-carotene. Including these in your diet can make a big difference. So, the strategy is simple: eat a rainbow of fruits and vegetables daily. You don't need to overhaul your diet overnight. Start by adding one extra fruit or vegetable to each meal. It's a small change that can lead to big health benefits over time. Chapter 2: Free Radicals, the Silent Age Accelerators. Free radicals are like the villains in your body's story. They're unstable molecules that can damage cells, leading to aging and various diseases. These molecules are produced naturally during metabolism but can increase due to external factors like pollution, smoking, and radiation. According to the Journal of Clinical Investigation, high levels of free radicals are linked to faster aging and increased risk of chronic illnesses. The bad news is that you can't completely avoid free radicals. They're everywhere. But the good news is that you can fight back with antioxidants. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals by donating an electron, which stabilizes these harmful molecules. This process prevents them from causing further damage to your cells. To combat free radicals effectively, focus on a diet rich in antioxidant foods. Dark chocolate, for instance, is not just a treat, it's loaded with flavonoids, which are potent antioxidants. Green tea is another powerful ally. It contains catechins, which have been shown to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. A unique fact: some antioxidants can even repair DNA damage caused by free radicals. This means they not only prevent damage but also help your body heal. That's pretty impressive, right? Incorporating these foods into your daily routine can be simple. Swap your regular snack for a handful of dark chocolate or start your day with a cup of green tea. These small steps can significantly reduce the impact of free radicals on your body. Chapter 3: Antioxidant-rich superfoods you didn't know about. When we talk about antioxidant-rich foods, berries, nuts, and leafy greens often come to mind. But there are some lesser-known superfoods that pack a powerful punch. For example, moringa is a plant native to India that's bursting with antioxidants. It contains 7 times more vitamin C than oranges and 15 times more potassium than bananas. Another hidden gem is the maqui berry. Found in South America, it has one of the highest ORAC, oxygen radical absorbance capacity, values, which measures antioxidant content. According to research published in the Journal of Food Science, maqui berries have 3 times more antioxidants than blueberries. Spices like turmeric and cinnamon also deserve a spot on your plate. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon is loaded with polyphenols, which are effective in fighting oxidative stress. So, how can you add these superfoods to your diet? It's easier than you think. Add a teaspoon of moringa powder to your smoothie. Sprinkle some maqui berry powder on your yogurt. Use turmeric and cinnamon to spice up your dishes. These simple additions can enhance your antioxidant intake without much effort. Chapter 4: Antioxidants in Skincare, Topicals that Transform. Antioxidants aren't just beneficial when eaten, they're also a game changer in skincare. Topical antioxidants can protect your skin from environmental damage and promote a youthful appearance. Vitamin C serums are particularly popular. They brighten the skin, reduce wrinkles, and even out skin tone. A study from the American Academy of Dermatology found that using a vitamin C serum daily can reduce fine lines and improve skin texture. Another powerful antioxidant for skincare is vitamin E. It's known for its ability to moisturize and heal the skin. Combining vitamin C and E can enhance their effectiveness. This combination not only protects your skin from UV damage but also boosts collagen production. Green tea extract is another skincare superstar. It's packed with polyphenols that reduce inflammation and protect against sun damage. According to a study in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology, green tea extract can decrease the risk of skin cancer when applied regularly. To incorporate these antioxidants into your skincare routine, look for products that list them as key ingredients. Use a vitamin C serum in the morning to protect your skin from free radicals throughout the day. Follow it up with a moisturizer that contains vitamin E. At night, consider applying a green tea extract serum to help your skin repair itself while you sleep. Chapter 5: The Science of Antioxidant Synergy. Antioxidants don't work alone. They perform best when they team up. This is called antioxidant synergy. When antioxidants work together, their combined effects are greater than the sum of their parts. For example, vitamin C can help regenerate vitamin E, enhancing its effectiveness. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, combining antioxidants can increase their overall power by up to 20%. A great way to leverage this synergy is by eating a variety of antioxidant-rich foods together. Think about pairing tomatoes with olive oil. Tomatoes are high in lycopene, and olive oil is rich in vitamin E. Together, they make a powerful anti-aging duo. Another example is green tea with lemon. Green tea is full of catechins, and the vitamin C in lemon helps your body absorb these antioxidants better. A study from Purdue University found that adding lemon to green tea boosts antioxidant absorption by up to 80%. So, when planning your meals, try to combine different antioxidant sources. It's not just about eating healthy foods but about pairing them wisely. Simple pairings can make a big difference in how well your body absorbs and uses antioxidants. Chapter 6: Antioxidant Supplements. What works and what's a waste? Not all antioxidant supplements are created equal. Some are beneficial, while others are a waste of money. Vitamin C and E supplements are popular, but research shows mixed results. According to a study in JAMA, vitamin E supplements didn't reduce the risk of heart disease, and high doses might even be harmful. However, some supplements do show promise. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10, is one such supplement. It's a powerful antioxidant that helps produce energy in cells and reduces oxidative damage. A study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that CoQ10 supplements improved heart health and reduced the signs of aging. Another effective supplement is resveratrol, found in red wine and grapes. It has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Research from the Harvard Medical School suggests that resveratrol can mimic the benefits of a calorie-restricted diet, promoting longevity. Before adding any supplement to your routine, consult with a healthcare provider. They can help you choose the right ones and avoid unnecessary or harmful supplements. Remember, supplements should complement a healthy diet, not replace it. Chapter 7: Lifestyle Habits to Boost Antioxidant Levels Naturally. Your lifestyle choices can significantly impact your antioxidant levels. Regular exercise, for instance, boosts the production of natural antioxidants in your body. A study from the American College of Sports Medicine shows that moderate exercise increases antioxidant activity, reducing oxidative stress. Getting enough sleep is another crucial factor. During sleep, your body repairs itself and neutralizes free radicals. The National Sleep Foundation recommends 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night for optimal health. Stress management is also essential. Chronic stress can deplete your body's antioxidant reserves. Practices like meditation, yoga, and deep breathing can help reduce stress and boost antioxidant levels. A study from the Journal of Psychosomatic Research found that regular meditation increases antioxidant levels and reduces oxidative damage. Adopting these habits doesn't require drastic changes. Start by incorporating 30 minutes of moderate exercise into your daily routine. Prioritize sleep by creating a relaxing bedtime routine. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation or yoga for a few minutes each day. These small changes can enhance your body's natural antioxidant defenses. Chapter 8: Cooking Hacks to Preserve Antioxidants in Your Food. Cooking can sometimes reduce the antioxidant content in foods. But with the right techniques, you can preserve and even enhance these nutrients. Steaming is one of the best methods to retain antioxidants. A study from the Journal of Food Science found that steaming vegetables preserves more antioxidants compared to boiling or frying. Microwaving is another effective method. It's quick and uses less water, which helps preserve nutrients. According to the USDA, microwaving spinach and peppers retains up to 95% of their antioxidants. Using healthy fats like olive oil when cooking can also help. Fat increases the absorption of fat-soluble antioxidants like beta-carotene and lycopene. So, drizzle some olive oil on your salads or vegetables. Another tip is to cook with the skin on. The skin of many fruits and vegetables contains high levels of antioxidants. For instance, apple peels have more antioxidants than the flesh. So, whenever possible, eat fruits and vegetables with their skins. These cooking hacks are simple to implement. Steam your veggies instead of boiling them. Use the microwave for quick cooking. Add healthy fats to your dishes and keep the skins on your fruits and veggies. These small adjustments can help you get the most out of your antioxidant-rich foods. Chapter 9: Exotic Antioxidants, Hidden Gems from Around the World. When it comes to antioxidants, the world is full of hidden gems. For example, the African baobab fruit is a powerhouse of antioxidants. According to the Journal of Food Science and Technology, baobab has 10 times more vitamin C than oranges and double the antioxidants of acai berries. This makes it a fantastic addition to your diet. Then there's the Indian gooseberry, also known as amla. It's one of the richest sources of vitamin C and contains powerful antioxidants like tannins and polyphenols. Research from the Indian Journal of Pharmacology shows that amla can significantly reduce oxidative stress and improve overall health. Another exotic antioxidant source is the Amazonian camu camu berry. This tiny berry packs an incredible amount of vitamin C, even more than baobab and amla. A study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that camu camu can boost your immune system and fight inflammation. Adding these exotic antioxidants to your diet can be easy. Look for baobab powder to mix into smoothies or sprinkle on yogurt. Try amla powder in teas or as a supplement. Camu camu powder is perfect for adding to juices or water for a refreshing antioxidant boost. Chapter 10: The Antioxidant-Rich Morning Routine. Starting your day with antioxidants can set a healthy tone for the rest of the day. Begin with a glass of warm lemon water. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, and the warm water helps with digestion and hydration. According to a study in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition, lemon water can increase your antioxidant levels and detoxify your body. Follow this with a breakfast rich in antioxidants. A bowl of oatmeal topped with berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey is a great choice. Blueberries, in particular, are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that improve brain health. A Harvard study found that eating blueberries regularly can delay brain aging by up to 2.5 years. Green tea is another excellent addition to your morning. It's loaded with catechins, antioxidants that help fight inflammation and protect your heart. Drink a cup of green tea alongside your breakfast for an extra antioxidant boost. Incorporating these habits into your morning routine is simple. Start with warm lemon water, then enjoy a hearty bowl of antioxidant-rich oatmeal, and finish with a cup of green tea. These small changes can make a big difference in your antioxidant intake and overall health. Chapter 11: Antioxidants and Mental Clarity, Stay Sharp as You Age. Antioxidants play a crucial role in maintaining mental clarity and cognitive health. The brain is particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress, which can lead to cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases. But antioxidants can help protect your brain and keep your mind sharp. For example, flavonoids found in dark chocolate and berries have been shown to improve memory and learning. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that participants who consumed flavonoid-rich foods performed better on cognitive tests. Omega-3 fatty acids are also important for brain health. They have antioxidant properties that reduce inflammation and protect brain cells. Fish like salmon and supplements like fish oil are excellent sources of omega-3s. Research from the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease shows that omega-3 supplementation can improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of Alzheimer's.